morning everybody. Today I am about to take one of such rides and I'm gonna explore the Maddalena Island. Andiamo per quella che sei, per quella che sei. Entra in camera, entra in camera. Stupenda per noi.
Anzi è meglio Ostia che è veramente
cattivo. So guys, we are about to attract to the Maddalena Island.
I don't know, I don't really know him. You?
No. Why?
Bisogna ricomprare.
I met Riccardo a few nights ago.
Hi guys.
And I found out he was sleeping in my room. And by that I mean that we work in the same place and we share the room, do not think. So guys, I just met my buddy Garibaldi. He united Italy. I usually meet him on a little hill in Rome, but nowadays I'm living on this island, therefore. That's it, thank you. I cannot wait for the day I'll be able to afford a boat, and we spent all the money drinking as always, but my gosh, this island is very pretty, and my friends are over there doing some shopping as always. We just landed in this ugly national park.
Very ugly, very.
Brutto.
Unbelievable.
È troppo romantico vederti così in mezzo alla siepe. Oh my gosh. Wow.
No, vabbè, ciao.
About to leave, already packing. Come with me, I'm not really asking. We'll get away to a place where we don't know. About to see the world in action, what we can be, life with no distractions. We'll get away, this is what we waited for. Take my hand, we'll make it somehow. We can't miss out. I'm done living life with the lights out. Die with my own doubts.
Into the sea, so you can get back up.
Sono pronto. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Keep reading and believe in your dreams.